Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook this lamb curry. Just easy and it's so delicious and full of flavors. So I've got some oil here which I'm going to let the oil heat up, and I'll show you how I'm going to cook this. So I've diced one large onion. So one large onion diced, and I'm going to just make sure I cook this, and then add some garlic and then some spices, and let the lamb start cooking. It's going to be so full of flavors and delicious. Just adding garam masala, about a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, now turmeric, and then a teaspoon of coriander powder, and a teaspoon of paprika, and also a tablespoon of curry paste. Guys, you can use curry powder. I'm using curry paste, and you can use curry powder if you can. Feel free to use whatever spices you've got. If you have got chili, feel free to use chili, but for me, I don't like my curry to be too hot. So guys, I've got 1 kilo of lamb. So you can use chicken or lamb if you can. I've got lamb here, so this is my lamb stew I'm making. So just cooking this for a few minutes and then adding tomato puree, about a cup of tomato puree. So guys, just adding some salt. So I need about 2 teaspoons of salt. Guys, just adding some water and cover this, and I'm going to simmer the curry until simmer until the lamb is nice and cooked and soft. I'll come back and show you after 1 hour. Guys, I'm just adding a can of coconut cream. So this lamb curry is this coconut lamb curry is going to be delicious, but I've just added the coconut cream. So now I'm going to simmer for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to serve this curry with some rice. Guys, the lamb is just nice and soft and it's falling off the bone. So I'm just gonna cook for a few minutes